Hello. I bring you good news. Like the three update I have for you is going to change your importation game from 0 to 100. Like you can see how excited I am because this is what we've been asking for. This is what we've been praying for. I mean, importers, this is what we've been praying for, and we now have it. I am so excited, and I'm sure you can't wait to hear these three updates. You can't wait to get this just say news. All right, so let's dive into what we have today. I know for some time now I haven't been giving you guys updates on importation due to my wedding plans, my wedding series, and now we are done with the wedding. It's time for me to get back to you and give you all the updates that you need to know about China importation. Best way to shop from China and make more profit as a business owner, as a startup, and also if you want to ship for personal use. Things just got better, and I am here to spill the teas. All right, so if you're just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Rachael Brian. You're welcome to my channel. Feel free to like this video. Just give this video a thumbs up so more people will get to see these updates. Don't be selfish. I got to know about the update and I decided to share. So just like the way you've heard it, do well to like this video so more people get to see, and keep watching. If you're not excited about number one, I'm very sure you'll be excited about number three. So without further ado, let's dive into the latest updates. Number one update is that 1688 shopping website is now in English. Yes, it's now in English. If you're just hearing the word 1688 now, or you're just hearing about 1688, 1688 is a Chinese shopping website and is the cheapest site you can import from China. So this has been in Chinese all this while. I mean the app. I'm not talking about the website. The app has been in Chinese all this while, and it's somehow difficult for importers to really understand the whole process, though there are ways around it. But with being updated in English now is something that really excites us, and I couldn't just wait to spill the tea to you. Like, it will make the whole sorting and payment very easy. Also, tracking and refunding, everything about it is going to be way easy because we can now see it in English. Now we don't have to struggle to keep translating to understand what we have to do. I'm so excited, and I'm sure you will love it. So this is what you need to do. If you open your 1688 app and it's not showing that if yours is not showing in English, what you need to do is to go to your Play Store, your Google Play Store or your Apple Store, and update your app. Then you will see it just like the way it is on the screen. So this is what I'm talking about. It's now in English. It's very easy. Now you can easily track your order. You can easily make payments. You can easily know the items you've paid for, the ones that has been received, and every other thing. Is an update that I love so much, and I'm very sure you too will love it. Just let me know if yours is already updated, if your app is already updated, if you've also seen this feature on your app. Let me know while we move to the second update. Update is another juicy update that we can now pay using dollar card / Naira card. Yes, you heard me right. I'm not mixing words. We can now pay using dollar card and Naira card. You know, before now you could actually pay using Alipay and your dollar card and Naira card. But after the restriction on Naira card and dollar card using Alipay, it became difficult that we have to make use of other ways of payment. But with this new update, you can easily use your Visa or your MasterCard, your dollar card, your Naira card on 1688. All this happens on the app. But there is something I also want to let you know about using that. You still have the option of using Alipay, which is fine. And Alipay, you know how Alipay works, right? You can easily get a refund. Like, you can get quick refund. I'm talking about in seconds. But when you're using your dollar card on 1688, that's the bad side of this update. If you're using your dollar card and you want to get a refund, it will take like 7 days, unlike the regular Alipay that takes few hours quick response in few days, right? In this update, you will need to wait for 7 days before you can get your refund. Then your Naira card, now they charge 3%, which is not fully activated. So on each payment that you do, you pay 3% of the money, which is not like that on Alipay. So for me, Alipay still seems to be the best payment gateway for 1688, because with Alipay you're not paying any percentage, but if you're using your dollar card and your Naira card, you will need to pay 3%. So that means whatever order you're paying for, you pay 3% of it. This is something you have to look into before you make your decision. But for me, I still use Alipay in making payments and also in paying for my customers, right? You know, I don't know if I've mentioned, I am the CEO of Z Plus Importation, where we help people import from China. We also train people on how to import from China. If you have payment, shipping issue, we help you ship, we help you pay your suppliers without any stress. So if you're finding it difficult in making payments because of all the updates and the rest, we are here to help you make payments. All right, let's move to the third, because I don't want this video to be so long, right? The third update. But hold on, have you given this video a like? Have you given this video a thumbs up? Yeah, it's free. It's not taking anything from your pocket. It just shows that you love what I'm doing, you like the video, and you want more people to see this video. So please, can you just pause and like? Thank you so much. If you want to contact me, my number is on the screen. My Instagram handle is over there. You can send me a message on Instagram and I will respond to you either on my business page or on my personal page. So let's move to the third. The third update is that you can now ship from 1688 to any country in the world, right? Any country at all. It's exciting. It's something that we've always looked up to. I know on Alibaba you can do that using the Alibaba shipping gateway, but on 1688 it wasn't like that. So it became difficult for some persons to go into the business. It's also got difficult for some persons to really do the whole shipping thing. But those of you that have shipped with me, shipping has never been a problem. This new update is cool. I love it. I love everything about it. Though Nigeria, they're still working on that. Nigeria has not been added to the country that will that can receive the order directly from 1688. But it's something that the team is actually working on. So over time, we can ship directly from 1688 down to our country without using an agent. It's an update that we should look out for. You know, I've been a preacher of don't stop importing from China because of high shipping costs, because of high exchange rate. There are always ways around it. Just stay in the business, be consistent, get more strategies. If you need help, you can always contact me. That's why I am an importation coach. You can always contact me. The name you're seeing on the screen is my name. That is my Instagram handle. Then I also have my business Instagram handle. I think I should be leaving that too, so you can message me on any of this Instagram handle. I don't drop my contacts because of scammers. I have seen cases where after dropping contacts, other people send their contacts and people get scammed. So for you not to get scammed, always make sure you send me a DM on Instagram and I will give you my WhatsApp contact. You can request for a video call, which is fine with me, right? I know the whole scammers, I know the whole internet thing has caused a lot of harm. There are a lot of scammers out there that are spoiling this business for us, but we still have legit people like me and others on this platform. So do well to request for a video call. I'm available for that, for confirmation. Okay, so these are the 3 updates. The first is that 1688 shopping app is now showing in English. The second is that you can pay using dollar and Naira card, but there is a cross to this, which is 3% charge on each of your transactions. The third is you can now ship from 1688 to any part of the world, and Nigeria is working on, and they are actually working on Nigeria. So very soon, all fingers crossed, we will receive ours soon. So these are the updates I said I should share with you. Expect more importation tips video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. and join the family, because this is what we talk about. We talk about how to make money online, how to make money from importation business, and every other side hustle that gives you money from the comfort of your home. So that is what we talk about. Until I see you in my next one, you can check out other videos. For now, bye.